Hi, this is my video presentation for the work I completed during these semesters and the challenges they have. Since we only have 3-minute videos, I'm going to be a little bit fast, so I hope I can explain myself. Well, let me start by making an overview of my page and what it does. This is a music page. We can look for and search for music or artists. So we have a main page with a field that we can write the name of a song or artist, and we hit the search button, and we have much information. We can select one of them, let's say this one, and we have another page with a detailed information of the selected song. For example, we have a price, the name of the artist, and the album name, and more information and pictures. We can add to cart this element, and we have a message telling that it has been added. We have this number here in the upper right corner with the card icon telling me that one song has been added. If I want to add another song, I can go back and search for another element, let's say charity, for example, and we can find more songs. We select another one, and the same, the details, information about the song, and we can add it to cart, and now the same message, and we have another 2 elements in my cart. If I go to my cart, I have a message telling me that I need to be logged in to make that operation. So I said okay, and I return to make the login. So I have this new page for login. I have a pre-created user as a login, and now I see the information that I'm logged in. Now I can go back to cart, and now I have this other page with detailed information about the payment with the songs I have just selected and the detailed shipment. If I click here, if I hit checkout, I see that the validation of the form. I set my information. Okay, the expiration day. When I hit checkout, I have another page telling me that all was successfully done, and I have a button to return back to my main page. Okay, now about the code and about the self-evaluation, I have to say that I becoming more efficient applying my innate curiosity and creativity. This class was not a back-end class, but I learned a lot about how to use Node.js for this project. And I saw the teacher use Bit for the Sleep Outside project, so I decided to use this same tool. I have no idea, I haven't used it before, but it was challenging for me to use it and make it work, and was interesting learning. And the same with the alert message, as you can see, as you saw in the presentation. I don't like it, the built-in alert from JavaScript, so I searched on the internet, and I found that Swal was an interesting library to have this fresh and interesting message. I'll become more dexterous in exploring my environment. I learned a lot in the last class. Especially, I have to say that I learned how to use better the fetch method, but was very interesting. I used HTTP requests and AJAX in the past, but fetch is very powerful, and I learned how to use it very well, like for each and local storage and session storage and many others too. I enjoyed a lot learning and helping others. I learned a lot from my peers in this semester, Miguel and Sandra. I learned a lot from them. I hope they can say the same about me. About divide and conquer, I divided my projects in different files, and I use modularization. It was easy for me to debug, to find and solve problems, because I divided my code in small pieces, so that can be easy to explore and find out. And I use the tools HTML, CSS3, and JavaScript, I think in a medium complexity way. I divided all my code in different parts to solve a specific solution. I use mobile first in the style sheet, and divide the code by classes and IDs to make it easy to read, and import the fonts from Google. That was a very challenging project, and I feel very satisfied about it. Thank you, and I hope this can be clear.